everyone, how are you doing? I hope you're having an amazing day. Right before I started my intro, I looked in the viewfinder and realized I did not put any jewelry on and I'm kind of looking a mess, so please ignore that. I guess I was just so excited to film because I have so many new boxes here to open on our channel, and according to the poll results on my community tab, you guys really want to see some new boxes, so I'm so excited to share today's with you. Before we get started, I just want to say thank you guys so much. We hit 5,000 subscribers today and I am just so thrilled. I love you guys. Thank you so much for your support. I wanted to let you know, as always, when I hit any milestone, there will be a giveaway. I ordered some stuff online the other day and that has shipped, so once that is here, that video will go up. And also, in the meantime, you can join the Upbox giveaway if you have not yet already. I will leave the link down below. But anyways, let's get to today's video. We are opening a new box, like I said, and today's new box is Discover California. How cute is this box? I love the color of it. I think this box is such a good idea. I think California is such a great state, and this box is a good way to learn more about it and support small businesses in California. So what is Discover California? Like with all new boxes on our channel, I pull up their website to get a little bit more information before we unbox so we can learn what it is all about. So Discover California is a subscription box that has a new theme each month that covers a city/area or event in California. So you get 5 to 6 items in the box that goes with the theme, and all of these items are only from California small businesses. So I think that is super awesome. So I was looking at the pricing. It looks like if you pay monthly, it's $39.95 plus shipping. And as with like a lot of subscription boxes, if you pay for more months at a time, the price does go down. So I'm not exactly sure what the theme is this month or what is inside. So how about we get unboxing? When I open up the box, this is what I see. It looks like everything is wrapped in some tissue and there is a little card on top. And it says, Discover California Baseball, June 2019. So I guess baseball is a theme, and this is like a perfect month to do it. I feel like, I know like opening day is like in April, but now it's like becoming warm out everywhere and it's so fun to go to baseball games. I actually really like baseball. I grew up in Chicago, as you guys, most of you guys probably know. And my family, they are huge Chicago White Sox fans. My parents actually have season tickets that they split with some people, so I've been going to games my whole life. I actually saw a perfect game, interesting fact. I saw Mark Burley pitch a perfect game. Like, that was so fun. Anyways, let's get back to the box. So in here, I guess it says all of the items inside with some information where they're from. So you know I love that. I love when boxes provide some information. And it looks like they give a little sneak peek for July, so we'll touch on that at the end. Let's see what goodies we got. Alright, the first thing I grabbed is this. What is this? It says, Your Passion Expressed, sportsroses.com. Let's get it out of the plastic and see what this is. I don't know if it's like a tote bag or what. So there's some information on here about the company Sports Roses. And then here is what we got. So it is a tote bag. Oh, I like this. So it says love, but like the O is baseball, and then the V is the home plate. So that is super cool. I like this. This is perfect for like when you're out and about shopping and stuff. I'm all about using reusable bags. So, and I love red. And this is definitely very spacious. This will definitely be in my shopping bag. So awesome. Let's learn more about this. So we already know the company. Let's see. So they're known mainly for their sports roses, but we knew you'd love this tote for your next game. And they're showing one in blue here, so I wonder if we could have gotten assorted colors. So cool. And then it gives more information about their story. It looks like they started in the spring of '07. I like how they provide information on the companies. That's really cool. So you can learn more here. Awesome. Next up, we have something that is wrapped up, and there's a little tape on here that says shop small. I love that. It looks like it might be a candle. You guys know I love candles. I could always use more. I don't know why I go through them so fast. Well, I know why, because I burn them all the time. So this says 4 points, caramel popcorn, soy candle. Oh my gosh, so it's like, smells like you're at the game. This is really cute packaging. Let's smell it and see if it really does smell like caramel popcorn. Oh my gosh. This smells exactly like caramel popcorn. Smell-o-vision. It smells good though. Like really good. Like I'm totally gonna like this. I tried to light a candle behind me like usual, but it's not lighting, so definitely in need of this. So it says, the caramel popcorn candle brought us right back to peanuts and Cracker Jack at the old ball game. Every candle is handcrafted and hand poured right in our home with love. Awesome, super excited to have this. And now I really want some Cracker Jack, oh my gosh. I used to love that, like getting a little fries inside. I haven't had that in a long time. Now we have something that is wrapped up in tissue. Oh, cute. Okay, so I've gotten some of these before. These are like little chapstick holders, and these are super convenient for your bag, especially if you carry around a large bag and you know how sometimes you lose things in there somehow. Look at it, this is so cute. It has like a little baseball print on it, and it came with the chapstick too. So the chapstick is in Cocoa Vanilla, and this is by Chiva's Goat Milk Skincare. It has SPF 15, and it's made with calendula extract, coconut oil, and vitamin E. Awesome, love some lip balm. So you can just fit it right in here. I'll show you. Put it right in here. And then you can just attach this in your purse. Even if you don't hook this onto anything, this still makes it easier to find. This is so cute. So it says, we paired 2 items from Shiva Skincare in Mogo Design. Shiva Skincare Lip Balm will keep your lips soft and help protect you from the sun with SPF 15. Great for a sunny day at the ball game. Totally true. Now we have something else wrapped up. Their tissue paper is really cute, by the way. I'll show you it in a second. See if you guys can see. There's like little people on it. I'm not sure if that's coming through on camera, but the tissue paper is cute. So this looks like it's some jewelry. Let's see. So this is by Sport Fab. Celebrate the player, celebrate the game. Oh, and they're like little baseballs. Like little stud earrings. These are so cute. I really like these. Let's learn more about them. It says, Sport Fab's earrings are made for real baseballs. Made from real baseballs. Cool. Watching our boys play sports was the inspiration for Sport Fab jewelry. And they have an Etsy shop. It's etsy.com/shop/sportfab. These are so cute. I totally want to wear these to a baseball game. I should go to Chicago this summer and go to a Sox game. This is making me feel very nostalgic. I want to go. Ooh, we've got some other stuff in here. What's this? I saw the word wine, and we all know how I feel about wine. Oh my god, so this is all by Happy Lilac by Sherry Morphus. And these are wine charms. Oh my god, I love it. And they have like California on there, baseball, I love baseball, another baseball, a baseball cap, some bats. Oh my god, I might have to like give this to my mom who loves wine as well. And also loves baseball. She's like a diehard fan. Like I'm a fan, she is diehard. These are so cute. I love them. What a good idea. So it says Happy Lilac's Wine Charm Collection includes colors for California MLB teams, San Francisco Giants, LA Dodgers, San Diego Padres, Anaheim Angels, and Oakland A's. Wow, California has a lot of teams. And I think that's everything. Let me double check. Yep, so that was everything in the June box. I love how it all stuck with the theme. You guys know I love that when boxes do it, and everything is so cute, and the fact that I like baseball makes this even better, and I think it's so perfect for the month of June. So if you guys want to know what's coming in July, let me read this to you. It says, coming in July, the California Rodeo Salinas is one of the top 20 professional rodeos in the United States and the largest in California. Subscribe by June 30th to receive or gift July's box. Cool. So of course I will leave their link and information down below in the description box if you guys are interested. I think this is so fun and different. Like, I love opening different boxes on our channel. Like, so not everything's always like makeup and stuff like that. It's really fun discovering new things. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know we all love new subscriptions on our channel. I definitely had fun opening this. So thank you so much for being here and unboxing with me. You know I love you guys so, so much. And thank you again for 5,000 subscribers. You guys seriously made my day. You are awesome. I love you so much. But again, thank you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.